Hey guys, welcome to the sixth lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bit. And today's lesson we're going to study the File tab, some sections. So let's just start. At first we're going to have some texts. The first option is paste. So what is paste? At first we have to know what is copy. We select this amount of text and then we go for cut. What is cut? When you cut, the selected area will be disappear, and if you wanted to put it in another place or paste it in another place, you click paste option. When you press, the text will be visible in here, or maybe you can paste here. So let's go for copy. The next option is copy. We select this area, we click copy, and then we want to paste it in bottom of this text. We click here. And also, as you can see, when I hover to paste, it shows the abbreviation, the shortcut. Okay? If you want to make it easier, we have some buttons in order to use the shortcuts. For example, if you want to cut your text, you press Ctrl plus X, and then we'll go here and we will use Ctrl plus V in order to paste. And if you want to copy your paste, you select this area, you press Ctrl plus C, it will be copy, and Ctrl plus V, paste. This is the paste option, and there are some other paste options too. The first one is keep source formatting. For example, I want to make this text bold, italic, and underline. Then I want to copy this text and I want to paste it in here with the same formatting. When we go and press that area, our text will be pasted with the same format that we designed. Okay? And the next option is merge formatting. It also do the same thing. This is another option that will paste your text as a picture. You can move your text, you can rotate your text from here, you can make it bigger like this, so it pastes as a picture. The next option is keep text only. So when I copy this text, I want it to be simple as others, so I go here, I press keep text only. So my text will be printed or pasted normally. So this was the paste option. What is format painter? Let's delete this. We will have another text. Let's design this amount of text. We will bold our text, we will use another font, we will make the size bigger, and I want it to be like a line on this, and another design, and I want my entire text, its design should be like this. So I select this designed text, I'll go for format painter, click this area, I will choose this paragraph until here, and I want this paragraph to be like this paragraph. As you can see, it is designed as same as this, and it is like bold, everything's are same. So this is what Format Painter does. So the next option is clipboard. So what is clipboard? When we copy this text, it will be in clipboard, okay? And if I want to paste it, I will go to clipboard and click here. It will be paste. And if you want to paste all, you click paste all. If you want to clear all, you go for clear all. Let's close clipboard. Okay guys, the next option is subscript. So what is subscript? For example, we have like O, and I wanted O2, and I want this two to be in the bottom, like oxygen we have in chemistry, right? When we want to have like 2 oxygen, the number 2 should be smaller, and so we have subscript because of this thing. When I click here, it will automatically get small. And another option is superscript. So what is superscript? For example, in mathematical issue we have like 5 and 2. I want this 2 to be in the up, so I do superscript. When I click here, it will do superscript. And as you can see, we have shortcuts. So Control plus equal will make our text smaller, okay? And the shortcut of the superscript is Control Shift plus, okay? So another option is the design. We have a lot to study. I think it is enough for today. So don't forget to follow our lessons. This was today's lessons about Home tab, and there is a lot to learn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our channel. Bye bye for now.